Here with a look at Turbo. Boy, oh boy, yeah, I have a target here on this thing. When this thing comes down here and fills this fair value gap, I would expect a pretty big bounce out of Turbo. All right, has a little bit left to go on this thing, and this thing should be filled up. All right, these fair value gaps get filled every single time. Okay, when you get a fair value gap, they come back and tend to fill them. All right, you add one over here, right through here, mark this out, right up to here, and you can see how price came back down in there and filled the fair value gap and then got the bounce. All right, these things always fill up. Now on the way down here, it has made a pile of fair value gaps. You got one, you got them all through here, right? You got one from here to here. Okay, and like I said, these tend to get filled, right? So you would be looking for a bounce back to the upside, right? You got one here, right up through here. Okay, so you have these things forming all through here. You have one forming now, right here, down to where it is now. All right, so you would expect these to get filled up. Let's get that one out of there because that one we don't want on there right now because we're looking for a bottom right on Turbo here. All right, now if we look at the weekly RSI, now we're getting right down near the bottom here. One looks like one last little push down here. The daily, this thing has been beaten down pretty good, right? And that daily is just about reset, and I would be watching for a big move out of this thing. Now over in Discord, everybody knows about that. I sent out a alert to everybody. They'll be watching for that. By the time you watch this video, it'll probably already happen. So sign up for a level 3 membership over on the YouTube in the description of the video. That'll get you a link to the Discord. It's only $15, guys. We have an alt season coming. You'll make your 15 bucks back off this one single trade here, right? No financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy down here. I'm not telling you that that's an exact bottom. But fair value gaps, they're big time traders use them. Everybody knows anything about trading looks at fair value gaps. They tend to get filled, and once they get filled, they tend to have big bounces, right? We have all these RSIs lining up. And also check out Weeks. There's a link in the description of the video for that trading site we use over in Discord. If you sign up for Discord, hit that link in the description of the video. It'll take you over to Weeks over here. This place is awesome. Up to 300-400x leverage on some of these. I'm not telling you to use that. If you know what you're doing and you get great entries, that's a different story, right? If you're new to it, if you're new to leverage trading, in my personal opinion, I would start with 3, 4, 5x, something like that. All right, I tend to go a lot higher, but because I like to get good entries, right? Now you have a lot of you have the apps here to put on your phone. Also, I love it over here. No KYC if you don't want to. And if you want to sign up for KYC, you can. They have additional bonuses for KYC if you sign up for KYC, but they have up to $30,000 in sign-up bonuses, all right, just for deposits and stuff like that. Pretty awesome site. All kinds of trading competitions. There's one going on now, up to $50,000. All kinds of stuff going on over here. So go check them out right now. You can get a piece of 1 ETH every single day, I think, for the next 8 days. I made one Ethereum trade yesterday and made 15 bucks off that. So in ETH, so you can pretty nice setup here. All right, thank you so much, guys. Watch for that bottom coming in there. Have a great day.